As of today, ibonds seem to be one of the best ways to invest your money, especially with a lot of the other investments in the stock market being down 60, 70, or even 80% on the year. Who wouldn't want a guaranteed 9.62% return risk-free on their investment? In this video, we're going to talk about how easy it is to buy ibonds online from the US Treasury, with me personally buying $10,000 worth of ibonds and walking you through the process step by step. So let's get started. If you would like to learn more about what is an ibond, why you should buy one, and the terms and fine print that come with an ibond, feel free to check out my other video. It's going to be linked on the screen and also down below in the description box. So how do you purchase an ibond? The first step is to go to the US Treasury website, which is going to be linked down below. And yes, once you do click on the link, the website looks like it hasn't been updated since the early 2000s, back when InSync was popular. But this is the actual site, and you just have to set up an account, which is pretty simple to do and only takes a few minutes. All you have to do is add your social security number or EIN if you're a company, an email address, and bank account information in order to actually purchase the ibonds. After you create an account, you will just need to select the investment you would like to purchase, and in this example, it is going to be the ibond that we are buying today, otherwise known as the Series I Savings Bond on the Treasury Direct website. And then just select the checking and savings account that you would like to use in order to actually purchase the ibond. I am personally going to put the maximum annual amount of the ibonds, which is $10,000. But if you don't want to put that much money to start or would prefer to add money over time, you have the option to make repeating purchases or a purchase schedule. So say, for example, you could do every 2 weeks once you get paid from work, or you can set up certain dates. The minimum contribution amount is $25 though. After you set up your deposit amounts and timeline, the last step is just to click submit and you're ready to go. Then that's it. All you do is have to sit back and collect your sweet interest. All in all, I think everyone should either max out getting an ibond or put as much money in it as possible. I am personally using the ibond for my emergency fund since it makes about 8% more than my high yield savings account from Capital One. Tell me down below in the comments, do you currently have any funds in an ibond? Why or why not? Don't forget to smash the like button. Let's see if we can get this video to over 50 likes. If this video brought you any kind of value, please make sure to subscribe and share the video. Feel free to check out my other videos on my channel about personal side hustles that I have personally tried and to learn more about personal finance. I'll see you guys in the next one, and this is Kevin, your financial tutor, signing off. Peace.